So now let's take a look at what we will be expecting, right, on our Euro GBP for the week. So let's see what Euro GBP is going to do for us for the week. Let's see how it moves for the week. So, but first and first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments. And also, guys, make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, guys, once again, subscribe to the channel in order for you not to miss out on updates. Now, let's take a look at what Euro GBP will be giving us for the. Now, let's start with that. The first thing first, before you take a trade, you need to know what the trend is. That is exactly what you want to know what the trend is. So, the previous trend on our Euro GBP was an uptrend move. Now, this is our current trend, which is our recent trend. You can call it your current or recent trend, right? Which is our current trend, right? It is on a downtrend. So on this our current trend, we are in a downtrend move. But in our previous trend, we are in an uptrend move. Now, when you zoom it in right here, you take a look at it on your weekly time frame. Market then it gave us the drop, which is low. Then here comes the lower high, right? Market then drop one more time again to give lower low. Then here what comes the lower high. Markets eventually drop in its right, which is about to form in or this low, right? But we will be expecting market to continue to drop. This is to tell you that bearish move we are going to be expecting on. So we should be anticipating for a bearish move. So whatever you want to be doing, you would want to be going in sell. If you are not yet in the sell on your liquidity, now is the best time. Now is the best opportunity to sell because in the long run, markets will drop and eventually take out this low, thereby giving us a new value. So what I'm trying to say is that bearish move is what you should be anticipating for because when you take a look at this moment right here, this is the low that market was. Here comes what? Lower high. Market was able to drop one more time again to form a new lower low. Now here comes the lower high. So we will be expecting market to drop. It is able to form a new lower low, thereby taking out this low. So this is to tell you that a bearish move, what we are going to be expecting on our Euro GBP. Now let's go down to our 4 and time frame. This is the daily time frame. It is also what trending inside. So previously on the daily time frame, there was a minor movement going on, which is a trending upward. Although on the weekly time frame, it is just a pullback level for drop to outlet, right? When you go to your time frame, here it is just a minor. You can see that a very minor trend, not your main trend. Now this is the which is the low. Here comes the lower high. This is the lower low. Now you all should know what market should do next, right? After the lower low, you should expect market towards lower high. Once it gives you a lower high, then you can now start anticipating for another sell that will lower low. So what we are trying to say is that bearish move for what we to be expecting from Euro GBP. So we should be anticipating for a sell. So you can go ahead and take your sell and hold your sell position, right? Because if you hold your position for the next 2 weeks, right, you are definitely going to grab a lot because by that time markets would have taken out this low, thereby giving us a new. So the bearish move for the week, what to be expecting. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share so you don't miss a single update. And also click on the bell notification and also follow the Telegram. You'll find the link in the comment section.